Oh.
Baby. What?
It has our address.
Oh. You have to cover this one. Alright, let's open this.
This is the full size now. You got it to do what we wanted, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Somebody says ¿qué significa? What does that mean?
What does that mean?
Como dice, what does that mean? What does that mean?
What does mean? ¿Cómo se escribe mean? M-I-N-E.
M-A-N.
M-I-A-N. I-N.
E-A-N.
Yeah, M-E.
M-E.
A-N. E is I in Spanish.
I know. Yeah, she said I because of the sound in Spanish. In the back of it says, this box is made from recycled materials. And it says we love saving it to collect cards or magazines. I don't see why.
A good card. It would make a good card box, not magazine.
But I don't know. I wouldn't
save cards. I mean magazines. Baby, just get a knife. Oh my.
I want to do it like this.
That's not my card.
I'm strong. Ready? Nice.
That didn't happen.
Okay. It says snacks for all your party needs. So I guess they have like.
Show it. You gotta show it.
And it says built your play. Old Navy Active. We have a coupon from Old Navy. It says all active wear 40% off and take an extra $15 off your next $50 purchase for Nature Box customers. Ooh, baby. And then it says what we wanted. We wanted the Nature Box Deluxe package. We wanted the pistachio powder clusters, Big Island pineapple, sweet blueberry, almond, southern barbecue, sunflower kernels, and apple cinnamon crunch. Oh, it says I have this too. Okay. Animal cinnamon crunch.
No, try the big pineapple first, because you like that one. It's right there.
Let's do it in order.
Okay.
First is the pistachio
Power
cluster. Why'd you do it like that?
Like what? Alright guys, hold on.
They smell peanutty.
Pistachio power clusters. Let me see.
They're okay, but now no. They're okay, but then they're sweet.
They smell like cashews.
They're sweet because of the cashews. I don't like that. It shouldn't be sweet.
They don't taste like pistachios.
I know. They're like sweet or something. Gross.
Oh, I don't like pineapple. None of these are mine. Oh no, the last one is mine.
We both picked this one. I'm so excited for this one.
I don't like pineapple. It's like sour pineapple. Oh,
J-Tars, don't fail me now.
Oh, I don't like it at all.
Oye, ¿se enteró que está viva?
I don't think Carly likes it either.
La pinche idiota esa que te cae gorda, es que Estherca se salió y la vieron en la calle.
This is okay.
Con el Roger.
Can you see this? What I'm pointing at?
Trabajan ahí y le fueron a decir.
You see it?
Hold on. Yeah.
This part is hard and it does not taste good, but this part, like the softer part of the pineapple, I guess the
The
full
outer
part
ring.
was pretty. It's weird, but it's pretty good. It's not as like bomb as everybody was saying, but
I didn't like
still
it at
good.
all.
The best,
Oh, we already tried that though.
but it's delicious.
Oh my god.
Sweet blueberry apple. Delicious. Delicious.
Those are my favorite so far.
Mm-hmm.
Southern barbecue and flour cream. That's a good amount of cream.
Mm-hmm. I'm just saying, these are like, I guess if you think about it, like having a subscription is a scary thing. But each one of these are $5 for sure. So 5,
No,
10, 15,
$4.
20, 25.
$4
And no,
each.
in a store.
Oh, okay.
No, those are probably like $6 at a store. Because
They're
it's
not
a
that
lot.
barbecue.
Not
They,
good?
no, they're plain. They don't taste like barbecue at all.
They don't really smell. They smell a little barbecue, but not that much. They have like this, the tiniest, littlest, miniest.
Oh, I opened that one. That doesn't.
I don't know what you got. Apple cinnamon crunch.
Cause it's like cereal. I don't know.
Cinnamon crunch.
Does
Oh,
it
it
at
has
least?
cashews, right?
I don't know.
I hate cashews. I think it does.
I think all the
Mixed
crunches.
nuts.
Maybe just try
It
it.
doesn't,
You didn't.
it doesn't. But it has a lot of different ones. I don't know which ones to try. Look, it has like dried fruit or dried apple
Oh,
cinnamon.
I thought it was gonna be like.
Okay,
like
I'll
the
try an
pistachio
apple with
crunch.
a peanut. Ready?
You don't like it? Doesn't taste like apple cinnamon.
The apple literally just tastes like gooey thing that you're biting. It has no taste.
Alright,
I mean, there's an almond in there, so that's good. Try the apple first.
You tried it together.
Okay, but I want you to try.
You can try apple with almond. No, I'll try apple with peanut like you did.
Right? It has no flavor.
It's like a jelly candy.
With no flavor.
No, it has a little apple flavor. Maybe the first one didn't, but this one did.
My mouth a little bit tastes like cinnamon now, but
No, it tastes like apple cinnamon. This is a big apple.
A cluster.
Crunch. Yeah, cluster. Eat this. Eat this. You're gonna taste the cinnamon in the apple.
I don't really like apple cinnamon.
What? That's just not American. Bless you.
That's weird. I only sneezed once. I can't do all of it. I'm sorry. I can't do it. I don't taste anything. A little bit at the end. When you stop chewing.
Is that? That's at the end. It tastes good. Well, I like it. It's not too
So,
strong, unfortunately.
10 out of 10. 100% I recommend who anybody ever gets, get these. 100%. 100,000%.
Those are good.
They're the best ones.
This does not taste like pistachio.
It's like, it has like a weird sweet taste, so if it just tastes like nuts, I get it. Oh, it has cane sugar in it, that's
It has
why. And
almonds,
rice syrup, I don't know.
cashews and pistachios. Does not taste like
And I don't like
pistachios.
cashews, so that was probably a bad choice.
This was pretty good. I thought it was gonna be a little different. It's a little simple. It doesn't.
I don't
You don't
like
have
that
that
one.
much taste.
This one, I don't know how I feel about this. I like the outer ring, and I haven't really had that much, but what I've had so far was, it's not that great. As you've seen, I've been watching shows with YouTube bloggers with him, and they always say get this one. It's like the best one. Blah, blah, blah. But
I personally I don't like pineapple, so I don't like that
This
one.
one was just kernels with like a tiny dust of like barbecue salt or something.
Yeah.
Like it has sunflower oil, sugar, salt, tomato powder, spices, natural flavors, oil, yeast, garlic, molasses powder, citric acid, and paprika and annatto. I don't know what that is, but it was like just like simple.
Yeah, it just tasted like lightly salted
with
Kernel.
a little bit. I tasted a little bit of like a hint of barbecue. So
My
yeah.
favorite ones are the blueberry almonds and apple cinnamon crunch. And then this, like I said, does not taste anything like pistachios to me, at least. This does not taste anything like barbecue to me. And then I just don't like pineapple. So
My favorite ones are this one and this one because I like kernels. I don't really like to chew on sunflower seeds because I don't know, I'm weird. I always like chew them, make a huge pile, and eat it in a second, and I feel like crap. So these two are my favorite. This one I don't know how I feel about it, but these two I hate.
you hate the. Oh my god. All right, later, guys.
We're gonna watch White Collar now.
Yep. Oh my gosh.